Have you recently had your basement or crawl space treated for mold? If so, you're probably wondering if this will solve your mold issue for good or if it will come back in time. In this video, we will talk about how we can prevent mold from coming back. Hi, I'm Bruce. I'm a project manager here at Acculevel. Treating mold is something we do here at Acculevel. When we treat for mold, we also prevent it from coming back again. In this video, we will talk about how you can prevent mold from coming back. Obviously, moisture and mold go together. In order to keep that mold out of your crawl space, you're going to try to keep it as dry as possible. One of the things we can do is, if you've got a lot of moisture, is you can do a water drainage system. A water drainage system then would ensure that any of the water that does come into your crawl space is going to be exiting as well. That's going to help keep that dry. Also, a dehumidifier would help in a crawl space to keep any of that just ground moisture from rising up and landing on your joists. Because most of the time when you have mold, that's where the mold's going to land. It's going to sit up on your joists. And after you've already done your treatment, you just want to make sure that it stays dry in your crawl space. A lot of our customers then would even go as far as doing a full encapsulation on their crawl space, which is definitely going to make the climate under your home as dry as possible. That's a definite solution that would really help in a lot of situations. The biggest thing is just making sure that your crawl space stays dry so that mold can't develop in the future. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you learn how to prevent mold from growing in your crawl space. If you want to learn more about mold, check the blog in the description. Be sure to like and subscribe.